y'all, it's Yasmeen. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today I'm giving you a tutorial on how I curl this 24-inch straight wig. This hair is from Cranberry Official. I ordered off of AliExpress. It is a 4x4 closure, so it stops about right here. 4x4 closure. It is 24 inches Brazilian, and it is 150% density, and it originally came straight. So today I curled it for you. There are no layers in this hair, just it came as the length it is. So far I've had this hair in for about 3 or 4 days, and so far I haven't experienced any excessive shedding, just the normal shedding. I did wash it and bleach the knots a little bit, and I plucked the closure just so it looks a little bit more natural. But for the most part, this wig was easy to install. Just slipped it right on. In the packaging, it only came with the wig and a netted cap. But so far, yes, I am enjoying this hair. It's very silky. It doesn't snag at all. It feels very soft even after I wash it. When I first got out the packaging, it was very soft as well and shiny. If you are interested in purchasing this wig, the details will be in the description box below. And the flat iron I use is linked down below. It is my Hot Tools titanium flat iron. So if you're interested in purchasing that, the link is in the description box as well. Now that we got all that out of the way, if you're interested in seeing how I achieved these soft curls with a flat iron, just keep watching. So I'm gonna start off by laying my baby hairs with some foam. I usually just put it on there. And then taking my toothbrush, I just swoop them. Now I separate my hair in half, and then I'm going to start on this side, and I take a section from the back and I pin the rest up with a banana clip. And now I'm going to be using my Hot Tools flat iron. I'm going to start at the top and slowly turn away from my face, and then slide it down and turning at the same time. And then usually I scrunch them up while they're hot, so it keeps the curl a little bit. And move on to the next one. So again, starting at the top, turning away from my face, sliding and turning at the same time.
Remember when you saw me in the club, didn't show me any love? You was too busy popping bottles with the thugs. I know you was feeling up. Nah. Don't know why you're trying to front, couldn't even say what's up. Yeah, you couldn't even say what's up, now you saying I'm the one. Don't you know I got the juice, got the sauce. Get from around me, boy, get lost. You look goofy, you're a fraud. Don't fuck with lames, swear to God. And before you blew me off, then I glued up and took off. Now you're left in the exhaust, but that's your own damn fault. Should've known you was fucking with a boss. Yeah, should've known you was fucking with a boss. Yeah. Should've known you was fucking with a fine ass chick, down a ride ass chick. Always on your side like that clip.
One more time, grabbing from the top, and then if you're, I'm right-handed, so I'm using my right hand. So I'm gonna grab on this side. I'm gonna turn my hand right away from my face. I'm going to slide and keep rotating until all the hair is covered. Slowly sliding so that way the curls can form. And then I have a bouncy curl. And And then while they're hot, I still scrunch them up a little bit. Then I have a nice formed curl. Now my sections, it depends on like how you want them. The bigger the section, I feel like the looser the curl with flat iron curls, or you have to hold it a little bit longer in order to get a tighter curl with bigger sections. So with this section, I'm gonna split it in half because I want multiple curls. And just following the same process on this side of my head. So this is the left side of my head, so I'm turning away from my face to the right. Having curls turn away from your face is much more flattering than having the curls turn inward, at least in my opinion. They just look a little better that way. Now I could use like hairspray to keep the curls, but I like to straighten my hair sometimes. Sometimes I like to wear it straight, sometimes I like to wear it curled. So when I do curl my hair, I don't put a lot of product on it in case I do want to straighten it again. And I just let the curls fall throughout the day, and then I wear it wavy, and then I straighten it or just recurl it.
I like to fight a little dirty, baby. If I opened up and caved in, would you hurt me, baby? I've been feeling like an alien, a refugee, an outsider. For some time, you the first one made my heart beat, made my stomach drop with desire. It's no crime. I need a little bit of love from you. I need a little bit of trust from you. Or we can let the guns blow. Run from you. Or we can let the war start for us two. Please don't change, please don't stop. When you leave, it breaks my heart. I've been down, you've been hurt. Since that day I put you first. Oh, we can let the guns blow. I must admit I had no worries, doubts or reservations. Since an early age I became one with devastation. Took you hostage and I saved you with no hesitation. They wanna stop it, but what's true don't need no explanation. Falling for you was a bad.
Now moving on to my right side, brushing through the hair.
We can get away from here. Never go back. We'll never go back. From you. I need a little bit of trust from you. Or we can let the guns blow. Run from you.
With this side of my head, this is the right side of my head. Taking the flat iron, starting from the top. I'm rotating away from my face to the right, rotating my arm, my hand to the right, and slowly bringing the curl down.
Since that day I put you first. Oh, we can let the guns blow.
Baby, baby, you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me tryna stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times were cherished. No comparing to you. Keisha, Karen, Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you, yeah. All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute, that trip chocolate factory. All of these chicks coming at me, but none of these girls give video. Paris, make some times we'll cherish. Baby, that
Just taming some of the flowers with a little bit of foam. So now when it comes to separating the curls, I take my fingers and out of that roll, I just shake them out and run my fingers through. Now because my hair doesn't have any layers, it's not as voluminous at the top as it could be, but for the most part, I think it looks fine. And then sometimes I like to brush the curls out, so you could just stop at finger combing them out. Sometimes you can brush them out as well, as long as they're set. And then you get a wavy look. And that's the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to leave a comment, share the video, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
it ain't fair.